Okay, children, so we'll discuss Adi Sharma, continuation children. Yesterday we were discussing exercise number 22.1. Exercise number 22.1, Adi Sharma, 8 CBSE. So children, cylinders, topic cylinders. Yesterday I told you 1 to 10 sums. Today we'll discuss 11 to 19 sums. Okay, 11th question goes like this. 11th question. Vedant, tell me 11th question.
Yes.
Find the cost of plastering the inner surface of well. Find the cost of plastering inner surface. Means this is to be plastered. Okay, at the rate of 960 per meter square. If it is 21 meters in depth height and 6 meters in diameter.
So you have to find the CSA.
Okay.
It's the CSA formula is 2 pi RH.
One second.
Center is 6 meters, so the radius is 3 meters.
Is the board clear, children? Is the board clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Radius is how much?
3 meters.
Height is
Height is 21 meters.
meters. Now
CSA
CSA.
formula is 2 pi RH.
Okay.
It's equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 3 into 21.
7
7
meters.
is at 44 into 9 to 396
396 meters
meters
square.
square. The price will be 9.60 times
1
396.
meter square is 960. 396 meters square is how much? So 396 into 960. Can anyone tell me the simplification? 396 into 960. Anyone? Answer. 3762 rupees. 3762 rupees. Okay. Next. Pravalika.
Yes.
A cylindrical vessel open at the top. This is open at the top, but base is closed. Mm, Diameter 20 centimeter. Diameter is 20 centimeter, and height is 14 centimeter. Okay. Question is find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of 50 paisa per 100 square centimeter. 50 paisa per 100 centimeter square. Yeah, inside. Same CSA.
CSA is equal to 2 pi RH.
Okay, CSA is equal to 2 pi RH.
Is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 10
Okay.
into 14.
To the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 80, 880
880.
centimeters square. Now 880 into 50 paisa per 100 centimeters square. Now 50 paisa means if you want to convert into rupees, what you will do? By 100.
500.
See, 50 paisa if you want to convert into rupees by 100, and he's saying, see, 50 paisa per 100 centimeters square, he said, and to convert paisa into rupees also, I made one more 100 here. Don't get confused here. This is 2 times, this is 440, this 0, this 0, 4.4 rupees. 44 by 10 is 4.4 rupees is cost of tin plating. Is cost of tin plating. Children. The cost of tin plating is 4.4 rupees. Okay, next one. Nandika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
13 sum. Can you tell 13 sum? 13
Yes,
sum is there
sir.
like this. The inner diameter of circular well is 3.5 meter. The inner diameter of the well is 3.5 meter. Okay, it is 10 meters in depth. Find the cost of plastering the inner surface at the rate of 4 rupees per meter square. Yeah, tell them.
CSA is equal to 2 pi RH square. Oh, sorry, no square. 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 into 10.
3.5 2 to cancel.
Uh,
110
mm,
meter square. So 4 rupees. Cost is how much? Cost 110 into 4. That is 400.
4 in 440 rupees.
Sujit, Put in some.
Sir.
Diameter of roller is 84 centimeters. Diameter of the roller is 84 centimeters diameter. Okay, and length is 120 centimeter. Length is 120 centimeter. Okay, it takes 500 rotations. In 500 rotations, question is how much area it is covering. In 500 rotations, how much area it is covering? How much area it is covering in 500 rotations? One rotation is 1 CSA. Now. See here. This is CSA. No? One rotation is 1 CSA. One rotation is 1 CSA. One rotation is 1 CSA. So, Nana,
Sir.
CSA is how much?
CSA is equal to 2 pi RH into
Into 500 rotations. 2 into 22 by
2
7
into 22 by 7 into 8 42
into
into 120 into 500.
so
So
6 2s are 12. 22 into 12 into 120 into 500 centimeter square. How to convert centimeter square to meter square? Anyone?
by 100.
By 100 by 100 because square no, that's why 2 times. Okay,
Yes.
so 2 zeros gone. 5 20s are 0 gone. 2 6 are 132 into 12. How much? 12 to 24. 36 38 to 1584 meter square area it covers in 500 rotations. In 500 rotations, it covers this much area. Next, Harsha. Harsha, 15th one. 21 cylindrical pillars are there. 21 pillars are there. Harsha, are you there? Raghuram Newton.
Yes, sir.
If the diameter of each pillar is 0.5 meter. Diameter of each pillar is 0.5 meter.
Yes, sir.
0.5 meter. And height of each pillar is 4 meter. Height of each pillar is 4 meter. What will be the cost of cleaning them at the rate of 250 per meter square?
Uh, we need to
CSA?
CSA is equals to 2 pi r h. CSA is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 by 2 into
4.
4.
Okay, 2 to cancel.
2 to cancel.
Okay, and what else you want to do? So this is one pillar for 21 pillars into 21 for 21 pillars into 21.
So
7 3s are so 4 5s are 22. 2 into this is 44. 44 into 3 is 3 4 is 12. 132 meter square for 21 pillars for 21 pillars.
21.
Now cost
Cost 132 into 2.50.
how much is that?
So 330.
330 rupees is the cost of cementing or cleaning 21 pillars at the rate this rate. For 21 pillars, 330 rupees is the cost of cleaning. Next. Next. Rishikesh. 16th sum.
Yes, sir.
TSA which is open from both sides is TSA of hollow cylinder. TSA is given. TSA which is open from both sides is 4620. Area of base is 115.5 centimeters square and height is 7 centimeters. Find the thickness of the cylinder. Thickness. See here it is like this. This is the thickness. This thickness they are asking. You know what is TSA of hollow cylinder formula? TSA of hollow
No,
cylinder?
sir.
Huh? You know it?
No, sir.
No, I will tell you. Anyone know TSA of hollow cylinder? Anyone? Vedant, what is TSA of hollow cylinder?
2 pi r into h plus r.
No, that is solid cylinder. Children, for hollow cylinder, it will be like this, children. See here. It will be like this. Children, it will be like this. One inner CSA, outer CSA, upper ring, down ring. See children, inner CSA, outer CSA, up ring, down ring. This many things will be there, children. Inner CSA, outer CSA, up ring, down ring. So TSA follows in race, children. Inner CSA is 2 pi smaller h. Outer CSA is 2 pi bigger h. And down ring is pi bigger square minus smaller square. Since two rings are there, into 2. So this is TSA. So how much is the TSA given? TSA is given as 4620 into.
Mm,
Okay. So
yes, sir.
so they have given upper ring and down height. How much they have given? 7.
7
In
centimeters.
this both, what we can take common? 2 pi h
2 pi.
r plus r. In this 2 pi common, bigger square minus smaller square.
Yes, sir.
You should be careful now. See here. So what I will do? Check. Force. What I will do first? Listen, children, carefully, everyone. So he said that the base of the ring already. He said how much? Area of the base ring is 115.5. So this is there, no? 4620 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into r plus this one ring is 115.5. Two rings is how much? 2 into 115.5. He only gave. Why to unnecessarily confuse?
Yes, sir.
4620 is equal to 44 into r plus r
Plus
plus.
R plus.
This is how much? 231.
Yes, sir.
31. Take 231 that side.
464,620 minus 231 is equals to 44 into a big R plus small r.
Bigger plus smaller. Yeah. 4620 minus 231 how much? 10
Sir,
minus
4,400 and 4,389.
4389 is equal to 44 into r plus r. Bring this down. So r plus r is equal to 4389 by 44.
44.
Will it go 4389 by 44, children? Once anyone will check and tell.
99.75.
Huh?
99.75.
How much, Rana?
99.75.
This into this, huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh my god. 4620 minus 231, correct? Huh? What we did is
Yes, sir.
so. But we want thickness. No, thickness means bigger minus smaller. Again, we have to. Okay, let's keep like this only. Now we'll go for thickness, children. Thickness, sir. For thickness, we have to use this, children. For thickness, we have to use this. Sir. Okay. So area of the ring is pi bigger square minus smaller square. Please kindly all of you concentrate. Area is how much? 115.5 into 22 by 7. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Because thickness means bigger minus smaller gives you thickness, children. Bigger minus smaller gives you thickness. Yes, children? So anyone? 115.5 into 7 by 22. And bigger r plus r is we got this much. 4389 by 44 into r minus r. R minus r is the thickness, children. R minus r is the thickness. Let's solve it, children. 22 2s are 44. Take this 2 up, children. Take this 2 upward. And then slowly, please try to understand, children. Please try to understand. So 115.5 into 2 is 231. 231 into 7. 231 into 7. 4389 will go down. 4389 is equal to r minus r. Will it go, children? Will it go? By any chance, will it go, children? 7 6s are 42. Yes, 7 2s are 14. 7 7s are 49. Yeah, it is going. So 231 and 627. Will it go, children? 7 6s are 42. 7 2s are 14. 7 7s are 14. So I am getting, children, bigger minus smaller as 231 by 627. What answer they gave, children? Anyone? 7 by 29 they gave, children. 7 by 29 centimeters. Children, you understood? I didn't have any doubt, children, in this sum. I am keeping on doing, but I don't know whether you are able to understand or not this sum. Children, big R plus small r, I got the value, children. That value I substituted here. Big R minus small r into thickness. He asked for thickness, children. He asked for thickness. You have to understand, children. Okay. Next. Next. Meghana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me 17th question. The sum of radius of base and height of cylinder is 37. Sum of radius and height is 37. Tell them. Sum of radius and height is 37 meters. Okay. And he also gave that. TSA is 1628. 1628 TSA. Okay. Find the circumference of the base. Circumference of the base. Yes, Nana?
TSA is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h.
Okay.
2 into 22 by 7. 1628 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7.
See, 2 pi r means circumference only, Nana.
Yes,
2 pi r
sir.
means circumference. That only he asked. R plus h, how much they gave, Nana?
37.
That's all. Over. Write this down.
C is equal to 1628 by 37.
Right?
44.
meters.
44
meters. 44 meters. And also they asked anything else? Find the
No, sir.
circumference. That's it. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sum of radius. Find the circle. The total surface area. Find the circumference of the base. That's all. Next. Next, 18th question. Hansika, 18th question.
Yes, sir.
Find the ratio between TSA and its CSA. Find the ratio between TSA and CSA. Okay. Given that height is 7.5 and radius is 3.5. Yes, sir.
TSA 2 pi r 2 pi r into r plus h divided by 2 pi r h.
Okay. R is how much?
R is 3.5 plus 7.5 divided by 7.5. T
Okay. If you remove this point, 110 by 75. 5 ones are and 5s are. 5 twos are. 5 twos are. How much are 22 by 15? That is 22 is to 15. 22 is to 15. Answers. Ratios. Next, Sujit.
Yes.
Tell me last one. Last one. A cylindrical vessel without a lid. Cylindrical vessel is there. Without a lid. Without a lid means open. Without a lid is to be coated on both sides. If the radius of the base is 70 centimeters. Radius is 70 centimeters and height is 1.4 meters. 1.4 meters. Calculate the cost of tin coating at the rate of 350 per 1000 centimeters square. Yeah, tin coating we have to do. How to do Nana? Tin coating? CSA plus
CSA is
base. Because base is
Base.
also closed to this also you have to do tin coating. CSA plus base. CSA is how much?
2 pi r h plus
Base is pi r.
pi r.
Pi r if you take common 2h plus r. 22 by 7.
22 by 7 into 70 by
1.4 meters is 140 centimeters. 140 centimeters. Yeah, 7 tens. Tell them.
7 tenths.
220 into
220 into 280 plus 70. 350
centimeters square. Centimeters square. Okay. And cost is this is area. This is area. Now cost is 220
cost
into
220 into 350.
3.50 per 1000 centimeters square. 3.50 per 1000 centimeters square. Remove this point also, 2 more zeros will come. Okay, 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. So 22 into
22 into 35 into 35 by 100.
by 100. Okay. 35, 35 is a
To
1225 by 100. So answer will be finally 485 rupees 10 paisa. On both sides they are asking. Sorry. Now on both sides they are asking. You have to do into 2 here. Because inside and outside. Into 2 you should do here. Into 2. Inside you should do, outside you should do. Into 2 you should do. So everything into 2. Everything into 2. So 22 into 2 5 is 10, 2 to the 4, 5, 2 to the 4, 2 is 2 by 100. This gone. Now 22 into 2, 45 by 10. How much? 485 rupees 10 paisa for thin coating. Inside like this, outside. Both inside and outside thin coating. Okay, now? So remaining sums we'll do tomorrow. Children, thank you.